Hello, welcome to this long journey of learning. Today, you will learn English without any effort. Just relax. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Feel the bed beneath you. You are safe. You are calm. Take a very deep breath. In and out, imagine a soft light surrounding you. It is the light of knowledge. It is the light of peace. Now, just listen. Your mind is a sponge. It absorbs everything easily. Everything slowly. Let's begin. World. The world is beautiful. Earth. The earth is our home. Sky. The sky is blue. Sun. The sun is bright. Moon. The moon is white. Star. The star is small. Cloud. The cloud is soft. Rain. I love the rain. Wind. The wind is cool. Fire. The fire is warm. Water. I drink fresh water. Mountain. The mountain is high. River. The river is long. Sea. The sea is deep. Tree. The tree is green. Flower. The flower is pretty. Grass. The grass is wet. Stone. The stone is hard. Sand. The sand is gold. Person. You are a good person. Man. He is a kind man. Woman. She is a brave woman. Boy. The boy is playing. Girl. The girl is singing. Baby. The baby is sleeping. Friend. You are my best friend. Teacher. The teacher is helpful. Student. The student is clever. Doctor. The doctor is busy. Neighbor. My neighbor is friendly. Family. I love my family. Mother. My mother is sweet. Father. My father is tall. Brother. My brother is funny. Sister. My sister is young. Son. The son is proud. Daughter. The daughter is kind. Grandfather. My grandfather is wise. Grandmother. My grandmother is gentle. House. I live in a house. Home. Home is where the heart is. Door. I open the door. Window. I look out the window. Wall. The wall is white. Floor. The floor is clean. Roof. The roof is strong. Garden. The garden is green. Kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. Bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. Bathroom. The bathroom is small. Table. I sit at the table. Chair. The chair is wooden. Bed. My bed is comfortable. Pillow. The pillow is soft. Blanket. The blanket is warm. Light. Turn on the light. Clock. The clock is ticking. Mirror. I look in the mirror. Key. I have the key. I want to be happy. I have a dream.
I do my best.
I say hello. I get ready. I make a choice. Go. I go to sleep. No, I know the truth. I take a breath. I see the stars. I come home. I think about you. I look at the moon. I want to learn. I give you love. I use my mind. I find my way. I tell a story. I ask a question. Work. I work with joy. I feel peaceful. I try my best. I leave my worries. I call my friend.